Hey, Sarah. Sarah. What are you playing with, sweetheart?
Open.
Look here. Whoa, you got it with one hand. Did you get that ball with one hand? Doesn't fit in there, sweetie. Look here. Sarah. Honey. Whoa, it's just a little out of reach. You want me to put some back in here? Good girl. Good girl. That's a big girl. You got that ball all by yourself with one hand, huh? Or was that a two-hander? Maybe I missed that. Hey, sweet boy. You gotta sit down. Sarah's playing. Good job. Trying to get the door?
Hello. Come and play. Who's there? Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Did you hear that, doggy? Oh. Oh. So close. Let me roll him back. Whoa! You got it! You got it! What do you have? You show Mama your ball? Oh, that's good, Sarah.